Alright guys, a quick update on my garden. Things didn't turn out the way I planned. This is the first time I've done this. I planted peas with just about everything. The mistake I made was I planted too many peas with my vegetables. What ended up happening was the peas took off, right, and they grew great, but they ended up choking out all the other vegetables. I'm going to show you here on my potatoes, and I even here on these onions here, they ended up choking them out. So I ended up harvesting the peas, the pea plants I should say, and they went to my chickens. Now the root system of the peas stayed in the soil with the nitrogen nodules, okay, to add nitrogen to, to my vegetables, which is the reason why I did this to begin with. So the root system's in there. I think I caught it early enough to where the plants could start using the nitrogen in the root system. But let me show you what it's done to my potatoes. Alright, you can see here what it did to my potatoes. I got 4 rows of potato plants here, and I had too many peas planted with them, okay, in between and where the potatoes are. So what ended up happening was they got choked out. I should have caught it earlier, but what I ended up doing is removing all the peas, left the root system of the peas in the ground. So I'm hoping that nitrogen will boost these to grow. These have another maybe a month yet before I harvest the potatoes, so I'm hoping they'll perk up. So we will see. Alright, as you can see here, I got planted my tomato plants here. They're still very short, about a foot tall. Got my peas right here. Another tomato plant right over there. Peas, tomatoes. And I've been doing that. We'll see how that works. But I'm getting some nice peas over here. That's all I know. I'm waiting for these guys to ripen a little bit bigger and eat them. Alright, so my big mistake was I planted too many peas with my vegetables and choked them out. I would suggest very sparingly plant your peas with your vegetables if you want to utilize the nitrogen in these root systems for your vegetables. So very sparingly plant your peas with your vegetables, and when they get about so high, maybe a foot or two, then I made it 2 feet too high, about a foot, a little over a foot, terminate them. And let the stored nitrogen that's in the pea root system feed your plants. Okay, so these are still very young onions here, so they'll come back, no problem. They should. All right, so I have a lot of peas here to terminate, and my chickens better be hungry. That's all I know. And we'll use some for ourselves too. Where it's working out nice is with my tomatoes. Alright, as you can see here, I got planted my tomato plants here. They're still very short, about a foot tall. Got my peas right here. Another tomato plant right over there. Peas, tomatoes. And I've been doing that. We'll see how that works. But I'm getting some nice peas over here. That's all I know. I'm waiting for these guys to ripen a little bit bigger and eat them. I just wanted to make this video so as an update to my other videos where I showed me planting the peas with most everything. Just don't make that mistake. Plant them sparingly if you want to utilize the nitrogen, and terminate them early. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.